Hey there, I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this creamy garlic chicken recipe. Okay, to get started with this creamy garlic chicken recipe, we're going to heat this large, heavy skillet over about medium heat. I'm going to melt 3 tablespoons of butter. We're going to add 2 chopped chicken breasts to our butter. And I'm going to season the chicken with a half a teaspoon of salt and a quarter of a teaspoon of black pepper. This recipe is super easy. It's kind of similar to a chicken Alfredo, but it has less Parmesan cheese. And it's got roasted garlic, and it's just really, really delicious. So we're going to cook the chicken for about 5 minutes. Doesn't have to be cooked all the way through because then it's going to cook in our sauce. Okay, our next ingredient is roasted garlic. You can find roasted garlic in the grocery store. It is usually just with the already minced garlic, but I roasted my own. This is a head of garlic. I'm not going to add, you could add all of this and it would be delicious, but I'm just going to add about a tablespoon. So I'm just going to squeeze it out of the pod. And stir that in. It adds so much flavor. Oh my gosh. But roasted garlic is really easy to make. You just cut the top off of the head of garlic and wrap it in foil and put it in the oven at 400 for about 30 to 40 minutes. I'm going to add a half a cup of chicken broth and 1 cup of heavy cream. And you really need to use heavy cream for this recipe. You can't use half and half because then the sauce would break. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of xanthan gum. And this is a thickening ingredient. It's going to thicken the sauce. You could use cornstarch, but for a keto recipe, people really don't use cornstarch. They use xanthan gum. So we're going to bring this up to a simmer to get it to thicken. Our sauce is looking great. It will thicken as it cools, and it's already coating the spoon. It's pretty thick. So I'm going to taste and see if it needs any more salt. Nope, that's good. Oh, that's so good. You can really taste the roasted garlic. So now for the final ingredient, we're going to add a half a cup, just sprinkle it over the top, of shredded Parmesan cheese. Whoops. And stir it in just a little bit. And that's it. That is such an easy recipe. Less than 15 minutes. You can serve it with like a vegetable, like over the sauce over a vegetable, over pasta if you eat pasta, over zucchini noodles, over spaghetti squash. It is amazing. So be sure you check out this recipe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.